What if people could actually walk through your OpenBrush painting in a 3D world? You can do it right now for free in just 3 simple steps. Step number 1 is to paint something beautiful in OpenBrush. Explore your old artwork that you've already created or create something new that you want to share. Step number 2 is to sign into your VIVERSE account. Within the OpenBrush application in VR, navigate to the Accounts toolbar and select VIVERSE to open the browser window. Log in with your VIVERSE account or create one if you don't already have one. Sign in and close that window when prompted. Step number 3 is to upload to VIVERSE. Navigate to the Upload tab and select VIVERSE. Wait for the uploading process to complete. After you upload, a web browser will open up with studio.viverse.com, and from here you will sign into VIVERSE and test your world. You can share your world by copying the link down here and sending it to others. Your work also is now discoverable on the VIVERSE World section of the platform. You can find it by going to the search bar or browsing the OpenBrush worlds. To make your world public and viewable to others, and to change the title of your world and other settings, which I highly recommend you do so that you can make your world present itself nicely, go to your profile in the upper right, select My Profile and scroll all the way to the bottom, find the OpenBrush world you just uploaded, click the 3 dots and select Settings. Here you can change all the details, and here is where you can change your world to public. Then click Save. Make sure to check out all the other cool worlds that people have made here as well. If you're watching this in March 2026, we currently have an OpenBrush competition running with up to $7,500 in prizes. Check out the short below to learn more about the competition.